Today I make a work table for my secondhand belt sander.
Fire. Fire. Fire.
I'm using some 1/4-inch rod which I've welded to a spare piece of tubing of the diameter that I am seeking in my final hoop that I'm about to make. Then I use my acetylene torch to heat up the 1/4-inch rod and bend it around the tube. Then I go ahead and cut the rod off of that weld on the tube. And then fine tune the resulting circle and then weld it together. And for the tabletop, I'm using 3/16 of an inch thick metal plate. What a cool piece of metal this is, man. And then I'm making a notch on that plate to recess it back a bit onto the belt part of the sander. And now I'm making a support bracket for that table to hold it onto the sander. And here I'm using 1/8 of an inch thick flat bar. I'm drilling a hole in that to fit an existing bolt on the belt sander, and then I'm shaping this a little bit to help fit around some existing pieces on the sander. And now I've got 3 complete brackets that should hold this table onto the sander. And now I've just got to tie all of these things together. And I'm trying to square up this table to the sanding belt. And here I'm using some 1/4-inch rod again to secure the brackets to the table. And now that I know where the brackets fall on this table, I'm going to go ahead and trim the table back to its final dimensions. And now in order to clean all the crevices of the final product here, I'm putting it in the sandblaster. Do you want to try it?
Sure. Alright. I'm going to see what the info is here.
And then fresh out of the sandblaster, we're first going to clean it with some mineral spirits and then blue the metal. And with the metal blued, now we're going to clear coat this thing and let it dry overnight. And here's our final finish on this thing. It's a motley sort of looking thing with some actual blue tinges to it. And so the table finished, I'm going to install it back onto the sander and try it out. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this thing. It's got some nice little detail on it that lets everybody know this is a custom piece.